Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Spadaro and we're going to learn a new dance to the song Colorful by Jukebox the Ghost. This dance we will be sitting, so I hope you're ready. There are 4 parts. Part 1, you're going to have your arms out to the side. You're going to go down and up 4 times, then do the same on the other side. Then it's 2 times alternating. So 2 8 counts. It'll look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the same going forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's part 1. Part 2, you're going to be using both arms and hands where you're going to shake. So this is called a double-double single, where it's DDS, where you're going to move 4 times to one side, 4 times the other, then 2, 2, 2, 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's part 2. Part 3 is you're going to swing your arms out to the side like you're swimming. Then you're going to make a rainbow with your hand going up. Then you're going to do arm shake going slow. And then you're going to go fast. And then you're going to do that another time. So swim, swim, rainbow, rainbow, arm shake slow, and then arm shake fast. And then you're going to spin your arms from a high level in a circle to a low level, maybe out to the side or out to the side. Totally up to you. But that is the 4 parts to the dance. Now, you do 4 parts 2 times, and then after you spin your arms in a circle, what's going to happen is you're going to follow me, and then you're going to repeat it. So I might do a dance where I wave my hands, you'll repeat. I might wave my arms out with my fists, you repeat. Maybe I'll go up and down, you repeat, just like that. And then we finish it off with the swim, rainbow, the arm shake slow, and then fast. So that's a lot, but let's put it to the song, and let's start dancing.
Hey, yeah, we're just getting started. Take your fears and let them go. For the lovers and the broken hearted, take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful. Wanna feel like a light in a dark place, another color in a world of black and white. Wanna try to paint the world in a new way, left home with a dream and a suitcase. Work hard, play hard, we don't have to grow up. Hide and seek, promise me that we'll never grow up. Hey,
was colorful. I hope you enjoyed that dance.